The journey of a single bar of Lux soap begins here, in the heart of sustainable plantations where high-quality vegetable oils are harvested. Precision harvesting ensures that only the most oil-rich fruits are selected for processing into the creamy base of the soap. Once gathered, these raw materials are immediately transported to the extraction facility to maintain peak freshness and oil quality. High-pressure steam treatment softens the fruit and deactivates enzymes, preparing the fibers for maximum oil release. This crude oil is the lifeblood of the production process, containing the essential lipids that give Lux its signature lather. Refining and filtration remove impurities, leaving behind a pure, neutralized oil ready for the saponification stage. Stored in temperature-controlled silos, the refined oil is now prepared for its journey to the main manufacturing plant in the USA. Across thousands of miles, the refined oils are transported in specialized tankers, maintaining the strict temperature levels required for high-grade soap production. Arrival at the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility marks the beginning of the transformation from raw liquid oil to the iconic beauty bar. Every shipment undergoes a rigorous security and documentation check to ensure the chain of custody for sustainable materials remains unbroken. Precision coupling is vital to prevent any contamination as the liquid oils are moved into the factory's internal storage network.
Powerful pumps drive the raw ingredients through miles of stainless steel arteries, feeding the hungry heart of the production line.
Inside these silos, the ingredients are kept at precise temperatures, ready to be blended according to Lux's secret formulation. Before a single drop enters the mixing phase, a sample is taken for immediate laboratory analysis to verify purity and fat content.
This world-class facility in the USA is where science meets beauty. Operating.
Precision begins at the door. Every staff member is a vital part of a synchronized system dedicated to quality and safety. Security protocols ensure that only certified specialists enter the heart of the manufacturing process. Hygiene is the foundation of the Lux promise. Every worker dons specialized PPE to maintain a contaminant-free environment.
From hairnets to safety eyewear, every detail is checked to ensure the highest standards of American manufacturing.
Nothing is left to chance. Automated systems ensure that every person entering the floor meets clinical-grade cleanliness standards.
A final air shower removes the last traces of outside dust before the worker steps onto the main production floor. Now, in the heart of the factory, the complex chemical process of creating the world's most famous beauty soap begins. The first step in the factory is deep purification. Multi-stage filtration removes every microscopic trace of impurities from the raw oil. Centrifugal force is used to strip away moisture, leaving behind only the ultra-pure fats needed for the Lux signature creaminess. Under immense pressure, the spent clay is separated, finally revealing a crystal-clear, neutralized oil base. To achieve the iconic white and pastel colors of Lux, the oil is naturally decolored using earth-based minerals in a vacuum environment.
Massive agitators work the mixture for hours, ensuring a completely homogeneous texture that defines the Lux creamy feel.
Precision is non-negotiable. Every additive, from silk proteins to moisturizers, is weighed to the milligram to ensure a consistent skin feel. During the core process, natural glycerin is carefully balanced. Some is retained to provide the moisturizing properties Lux is known for.
Instant cooling transforms the liquid into a solid, marking the end of the chemical journey and the start of the physical shaping.
Now fully formed, the liquid soap base is moved at high temperatures toward the cooling stage to begin its physical solidification. This is the heart of the craft. Under intense heat and pressure, the oils undergo saponification. Precision blades scrape the chilled soap from the drum, creating delicate ribbons known as soap noodles, the foundation for a smooth, high-quality bar. Transported by air, the noodles are whisked away to the drying stage, where moisture levels are refined to ensure a long-lasting, firm soap bar. Parallel to the oil refining, the world-famous Lux floral essences are sorted and verified, ready to be infused into the soap base.
Neutralization is the final chemical safeguard, ensuring the soap is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. The cleaning is complete. Now, the clean oil enters the reactor for the most critical stage, saponification.
Now fully formed, the liquid soap base is moved at high temperatures toward the cooling stage to begin its physical solidification.
Instant cooling transforms the liquid into a solid, marking the end of the chemical journey and the start of the physical shaping.
Precision blades scrape the chilled soap from the drum, creating delicate ribbons known as soap noodles, the foundation for a smooth, high-quality bar. Transported by air, the noodles are whisked away to the drying stage, where moisture levels are refined to ensure a long-lasting, firm soap bar. In a controlled vacuum, excess water is flash evaporated. This creates a dense, concentrated soap pellet that holds its shape and fragrance perfectly. Now, the raw soap meets its character. In the blender, the base is prepared for the infusion of Lux's world-renowned aesthetic elements.
The iconic Lux fragrance and signature pigments are infused here, deep into the grain of the soap, for a scent that
Triple milling is the secret to Lux silkiness. By crushing the soap 3 times, we eliminate any grit.
Under immense pressure, the soap is fused into a single, continuous billet. This solid bar is now ready to be.
Precision timing divides the flow into perfect segments. Each slug is a blank canvas, waiting for the final touch of the Lux brand.
This is the signature moment. High-speed precision stamping applies the world-renowned Lux logo with surgical accuracy. Laser-guided tracking ensures that every single bar is perfectly centered and aligned before it reaches the handling robots.
Automation takes over. Advanced robotics handle the soap with a touch lighter than a human hand, preventing even the smallest smudge.
Continuous monitoring is key. Automated sensors verify the internal moisture levels to guarantee the soap remains firm and long-lasting.
Artificial intelligence acts as a second set of eyes, scanning for imperfections that are invisible to the human eye.
Every detail is polished. Automated buffing ensures the bar feels comfortable and smooth in the hand from the very first use. Efficiency is maximized. The product stream is divided to feed multiple finishing lines, ensuring the factory's high-volume output never slows down. Precision finishing starts with a protective layer. This inner wrap seals in the signature fragrance and protects the soap from moisture. Every single bar is laser-marked with a unique footprint, providing total traceability from the factory floor to the store shelf.
Weight verification is the final guarantee of value, ensuring every customer receives exactly what the Lux promise provides.
Bundling provides the final layer of protection, preparing the beauty bars for the rigorous demands of global logistics. The final barrier of excellence. Random samples are pulled from every batch for rigorous testing in our world-class laboratory.
Lux is famous for its lather. We test every batch to ensure the foam density and creaminess meet our beauty bar specifications. Our signature floral scents are analyzed at a molecular level. This ensures the French rose and jasmine notes are perfectly balanced in every bar.
Structural integrity is vital. We measure the hardness to guarantee the bar remains firm in your shower and doesn't dissolve prematurely.
Gentleness is the core of our brand. pH testing ensures that Lux remains skin-friendly and maintains the natural moisture of the skin.
High-strength, food-grade adhesives ensure the packaging remains tamper-proof and secure throughout its journey to the consumer.
Under the microscope, we verify the results of our triple milling process. Total smoothness is the hallmark of a genuine Lux bar.
Quality extends to the packaging. We ensure that every box can withstand the pressure of global shipping while remaining pristine.
With all tests passed, the batch is officially released. From the plantation to the laboratory, perfection is now ready for the world. The final assembly is a masterpiece of logistics. High-capacity robots stack thousands of bars per hour.
Security and stability are paramount. Automated wrapping ensures the product remains pristine and immovable during transit across continents.
Precision handling moves the finished goods into our climate-controlled warehouse, where every pallet's location is tracked by a central AI system. Scale meets efficiency. Thousands of tons of beauty bars are staged here, ready to fulfill orders from every corner of the globe.
From the USA to the world, the journey is now complete. Our logistics network ensures that Lux reaches its destination.